to motivate my friends because I've been talking to a lot of them and they seem a lot demotivated since we are all locked up. So let's begin. So I have taken 5 bangles and arranged them such that I can see semicircles being cut. So firstly I have kept one bangle and then 4 bangles such that they cut each other and form such a pattern. Now I'm going to take an outline of these. So when I was trying to learn more about mandalam, what I found is that generally in temples we have a circular base, but the inner portion is always in the form of a square. Similarly, no matter how much we or what shape we have inside, it has to be bordered by a square, and then it has to take a circular form. So I have drawn my inner circles for intricate designing, and these have been bound by a square. Now I'll be drawing a bigger circle again with the help of bangles. If you find it difficult, you could use a plate. So you will still find that there are spaces between them, and I have left these spaces for designs. You could fill in it with anything, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fill the innermost circle with intricate designing, but firstly I'll highlight it with a bold marker. So let's do it. So before I start with the intricate designing, I would like to tell you that mandalam is a form of meditation. So generally when we are meditating, we chant Om. So I'm going to fill these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles with Om. So there is a lot of gap between these two circles. So I have used it to draw my entry passage. Or if you want to limit them, you could simply part it, show a partition by darkening this side. This could be used as butterflies, wings maybe, but I want to use it for temple, so I'll be keeping it that way. I have drawn the entry passage, now I'll be elaborating on it. Just keep watching. These spirals are somehow my, favorite patterns. I just love to draw them. So I have drawn these spirals around. This is the entry point, and then this shows that how the energy is traveling. You could see that there's some gap again. So you could fill in with Om again, or you could draw small spirals. It is up to you. How do you want to complete it? I am filling it with small spirals again, but now with a thinner pen, so that it looks much more intricate. I really like intricate work, so here it goes. You could fill this space also. This one has become much more darker, so no need to draw too many. Still, I take pride in completing it. So I have this space, so I'm filling it all with spirals. Now I have chalked out the corners, 4 corners, which are really important. Now I have to fill in with these designs. So spiral is done, petals are done. Now I think I should go for some more squares. Let me see how it turns out. So I've chalked out an arc for this corner also. Now my corners look complete. I could highlight it more. So I think it is done.
ఇదే కదా ఇదే కదా నీ కథ ముగింపులేనిదై సదా సాగదా ఇదే కదా నీ కథ ముగింపులేనిదై సదా సాగదా నీ కంటి రెప్పలంచున మనస్సు నిండి పొంగిన ఓ నీటి బిందువే కదా నువ్వెతుకుతున్న సంపద ఒక్కొక్క జ్ఞాపకాన్ని